Hi Najat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. I just now shared the analysis, but I didn't.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm really late. It is very short, but sorry.
No problem. No problem. Okay, students. So can we start the class? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so students. So Anjana, are you there? So can we
Yes,
do
sir.
the SWOT analysis together? Because I went through, but let's work the SWOT analysis so we can see how you are able to think. Because the thing here is Anjan. It's ultimately how you go into the exams. Correct, Anjan? Yes or no? At the end of the day. So let's work here the strength. The strength. Then we have the weaknesses. Then we have the opportunities. And then we have the threats. Now coming to the point here, Anjan, now if you start with opportunity, so start with strength. Strength and weaknesses is generally internal factors. Opportunities and threats are external factors. So Anjan, can you tell me what is the major strength we are having at the moment?
So the first strength will be the location advantage that we have.
Location advantage, or I can say as the size advantage.
Size advantage.
Size advantage, right? Because if you see our competitor is close by to us, agree or not agree?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I can say size advantage together with location. Together with what? Together
Location.
with location. That makes sense or doesn't make sense? That makes a lot of sense. And if you don't mind, can we write down the size also? Because that is very important. How much is our size? 24 hectares.
24 hectares.
And I can say there are totally 18 buildings.
18 buildings are there.
18 buildings are there. And of the 18 buildings, all are totaling up to 320 square feet. Square feet. So students, that looks good. So coming to the next question, students, after this is the other opportunities we have.
Strength in the sense.
Sorry, strengths. Other strengths we have.
The second strength that we have is the facilities that we are providing.
What are the facilities we are providing?
Facilities in the sense the R&D opportunities that we are providing to the different.
No, that is very generic.
Our infrastructures are best.
Tell me, Najat.
Yep. What about we talk about the infrastructures?
Tell me what infrastructure. That is important, right? You are working in this organization.
Yep. So we are providing them lab facilities for the small companies, and moreover, we are giving
generic, very generic.
Okay.
Actually, we do have a computer network service that we are giving, yes or no, and it is free of charge. We don't charge that money for the server, everything. Free of charge. Free of charge server, we give it for them. So that is one of the strength we have, but I can say that's a threat also. I can gently say cyber risk, yes or no, because we do have a specific threat on cyber risk. Agree or not agree? Because I will mention here, because cyber risk is a heavy area that is covered in the P3 subject. I think Vivek, you need to know that cyber risk is a very important area. Okay, Vivek, because here they are hinting the cyber risk.
Yes.
Okay, cyber risk on the server, because so many people are working in our organization, and the issue is intellectual property. Intellectual property issue is there. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Intellectual
Yes.
property security is one of the major threat we have. Suppose if there is a breach. And one more strength, students, you are missing out is we have 970 what?
70 employees.
Staffs
970.
working. 970 employees working. And also we have dedicated what? Dedicated staff for cyber risk also. Yes or no? Dedicated staff for cyber also. Dedicated staffs for cyber area also we do have. Cyber risk, dedicated staff for cyber risk management also we have. One more thing you are not specifically saying is we are a quoted entity. Being a quoted entity also, it's a very much strength for our organization. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Because quoted entity means our prices can be estimated very soon. In other words, the stock prices. Agree or not agree, everyone? Yes or no? The stock prices can be
Yes, sir.
estimated very soon comparatively. And any other things, students, that we may have lot of thoughts here?
Well,
And
sorry, sir. Why we can't talk about our board? It is so much of diversified board members.
Correct. So I can write that also. I can just say that is also one of our strengths. Diversified and skilled management. Yes or no? Agree or not agree? Because that's correct. And also I can say presence of independent committees. Presence of what? Independence committees. Because that can come, students. Please remember, we have all the 4 independent committees. What are the 4 independent committees, Najad? Can you tell me?
Audit and remuneration and
nomination,
and one more thing, risk is a committee, students. Risk is a committee, and P3 subject is the dominating subject of strategic case. You get what I'm saying? Even though it's strategic case, we are mostly focusing on the risk aspect in practical angle. Is that clear, Najad? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Good. And the
so
next
another thing that we can
please
say, the share price has been consistent over the last 1 year. So
no, I can't say anything wrong about that, because Anjan, that's how the real estate market works. Because we can't expand. 18 building means 18 building. You get what I'm saying? Anjan, just look at the thought process. 18 building is 18 building only. You understand what I'm saying here, Anjan? That means we need to double the building by buying new space. But 18 building, because we founded in, I think, which year did we found this organization? It was started
1986.
in 1986. So at the moment, how many years? 1986 means
34 years.
It's almost 34 years.
34.
Okay? 34, correct? 34 years we have been established. So I'm telling you that 18 building, it can't expand. You get what I'm saying, Anjan?
No, I'm saying the share price, sir, not the building.
No, its share price will expand based on the expansion of the company. 18 building means the building should become 20, 30 building. Then only share price can go up or go down. If they're still maintaining that same asset base, it won't go up or down. That's how real estate works. Anjan, you get the point what I'm saying. Now just look at the apartment industry, very stagnant. Unless you develop 2 or 3 compartments, you get what I'm saying, Anjan? Because it won't grow, because it will be same as it is. Because if you look at runabout business, customers will grow, yes or no? But here, 18 building means maximum capacity is how much, Anjan? 18 building utilization only. Are you understanding? And of that 18 building, 1 building is purely given for what?
For the administrative purpose.
Administration purpose. So are you getting that understanding here? Suppose if there's an invention taking place in our premises, still the value of that development goes to the inventor, not for the place. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Yes or no, Anjan? I think you get the point of view what I'm talking there. Because that's a very good question. That's a very good question. Transport connection to the business district, very good. So can we write down that also as a strength? So I can say transport network and subsidized bus fee. Have you observed that term? Now, Vivek, you should tell that subsidized bus
Yes,
fare.
sir.
Because now students, don't waste your time studying anything. Be focused with the KCTP. You get what I'm saying? If I was there, how I remember case studies is Anjan, I mark myself as a senior finance manager in this company. You get what I'm saying? Because if I am involved in this, this is how it will be. You get the point what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that is one more thing. So one thing, Anjan, I observe, can you tell me some weaknesses you found?
Yeah, of course.
One weakness.
So weakness, first of all, if we see the director's experience, all the directors have an experience of just 3 years or more, not more than that. But the company is a 34 years old company. So the directors are not very much expertise compared to the requirements of the industry.
No. If you generally see, I'll just analyze the, thank you for telling that. Now, if you generally observe here, our business is a renting business. Agree, no, Anjan? Yes or no? For a renting business, if you generally see, we should generally know the terms and conditions of the understanding. And it's a very good point from Folak. Folak, can I write that? So thank you. Most of the tenants are startups. Agree or not agree, students? Yes or no? Because there was a risk. The tenant turnover is very high of startup. Yes or no? Agree or not agree? Tenant turnover is high. Because we have not focused on corporations until now.
There is no affiliation with universities.
Wonderful point. Thanks, Vivek. No affiliation with university, but I can say one thing, Najat. Who founded this organization?
It's a university, but
university. So why they are
we
not
can say as an opportunity, right?
No, I can say this is just to avoid the conflict of interest. Because now, for example, Najat, if Harvard University has founded and affiliated with them, Oxford University will never give them contract. Agree or not agree, Najat? Yes or no?
Yeah, so, but normally tech parks are normally, founded by the universities, right?
Founded by the university, but no affiliation until now. That's a good point. One thing I wanted to say, students, weakness is 34-year-old premises. How many years old premises? 34 years old premises. Now, if you have observed, students, the articles they have given, did you observe the articles they gave? New developments that is taking place. Agree or not agree? Like they are telling about the 3D printers coming into the picture. We will go through that. Now, if you see 34 years old premises, can I say, okay, can be outdated facilities? What do you think? Yes or no? Outdated facilities compared with new tech parks, what do you think? Yes or no? High chances. Agree or not agree? Like Anjan was telling, share price is not growing at all. Yes or no, Anjan? It's being constant. It's being constant. So I generally feel that if you just observe here, from 15 to here, slight changes only, I can generally assume that they are not improving their facilities. Agree or not agree? Now, Chaudhary told a very good point that if you see our company is even though it's not affiliated with the university holds how many percent of the shares?
20%.
20%. So what do you think, Najat, of that point?
Yep, we will be minority then.
No. That's common technical. His question was, even though we have no affiliation with the university, still the founding university has 20% investment in our company. So what do you think about that in the strategic point of view?
Talking about weaknesses?
No. The point of view. What is your point of view in that understanding? I'll ask that same question with Anjan. Anjan, now, even though we don't have affiliation with any universities, Still, one university holds 20% shareholding in our organization as minority interest or institutional investor. So what is your point of view with that 20%?
So, regarding the decision making, the university plays a vital role.
Agree or not agree? Can they play a role of a venture capitalist? In other words, significant influence they technically have, but I still say even why they are preventing affiliation is they are trying to make it open to everyone. You get what I'm saying here, Anjan? Because if you have an affiliation with one university, what happens is the flow will be reducing. Agree or not agree, Anjan?
Agree.
That is the main reason they are not going with any affiliation. And like Mr. Chowdhury is telling, if they have 20% stake, they would definitely refer their students and the researchers to use this tech park. What do you think, Anjan? Yes or no? Can there be references given by that organization? Najad, can there be references given by our 20% shareholders to come and work in KCTP? If they own 20% shares?
Yes.
High chances are there, right? Reference wise, yes or no? They will push the clients, but affiliation is not there. But still, if affiliation comes in, it becomes a threat. Okay. So that is clear. So that is very much clear there. Okay. So since flotation, KCTP has significantly improved its infrastructure, enabling to achieve high occupancy rate. I don't think so, because if you generally see, they say we have high occupancy rate, but if you observe here, what I can generally say is the main reason is we are giving sole building. You get the point, Mr. Nagendran. 15 buildings are given for sole purposes, but I don't feel that is a big challenge. What do you think, Mr. Nagendran?
Yeah, so I picked up that statement from the material. So I just quote it as it is because we don't have evidence that the facilities are outdated.
No, we do have evidences. I will show you. Because if you generally see, I will just analyze and show it to you. Now,
sir, sorry, I have a comment on this, if you don't mind.
Yes.
Best engineering life is 25 years as per engineering practice. Any building is best engineering life is 25. If you see many developed country, they do rebuilding on 25 years after. So when we are talking about 34 years, definitely we need to face a big capital expenditure in the near future.
Correct, but just give me a minute. I'll just show you how the revaluation has taken place. So Nagendran, do you observe here there's a revaluation of how much? 300. Do you see there's a revaluation of 300? That may be not be specially for the equipments. That may be land revaluation closer to the airport connection. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Nagendran? So that is one revaluation. But if you generally even observe here, the property, plant and equipment have just increased by only how much? Just increased by only how much? 6,140 to 6,600. The increment is only how much? That will be coming closer to, I think, 460. 460. And intangible assets are remaining at constant. Yes or no? Completely constant. And then if you also look at the other types, only loan we have. So here we don't see any significant changes, Mr. Nagendran. You get what I'm saying? The maintenance level is not so significant. Now, example, Mr. Nagendran, I will just do a calculation and show it to you. Now, if you observe in a financial angle, 6,140 to 6,600, what is the difference? 6,140 to 6,600. 6,600 and 6,140. The difference is 460. Agree? So this is the total movement in property plant. And of that total movement, Mr. Nagendran, what has happened is revaluation is how much? Revaluation is how much? 300. So the journal entry for the revaluation is debit the property, plant and equipment by 300. Agree? And credit the revaluation reserve by 300. Agree? Yes or no? Now, if you observe here, Mr. Nagendran, now the total movement is how much? Total movement is 460 in the asset. Of that total movement, revaluation is how much? revaluation is how much? 300. Agree? So
Right.
during the current year, how much was their PPE investment? Capital expenditure was how much? Only how much? 160. Only how much? 160. Did you get that calculation there? Yes or no, Mr. Nagendran? Okay, so that is 160. And then what I can specifically say is if you observe the other company, let's just go through the other company. So other company revaluation is how much? 120. Agree?
Right.
And if you see here, the movement is, let's assume 5,640 to how much? 5,900. So the total movement here will be coming to closer to 260.
60.
Of 260 minus 120, this will give you an answer of, I think, 140. So 140 is the movement. And then look at here, Mr. Nagendran. So that is the total movement. So here our movement is 160, but just observe how much is our dividend. Our dividend was how much? Our dividend was how much? 74. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And our capital expenditure is only 160, but what was our profit for the year? Our profit for the year is 146, and we have paid a dividend of how much? 74. So our retained earnings is effectively coming closer to how much? 72. So in other words, we are having a retained earnings of 72, but if you look at our competitors, please look at our competitors, the profit for the year is 118. Do you observe that? Profit for the year is 118. And if you generally see, the dividend paid for the year is only how much? 5. 118 minus 5, what is the retained earnings they are having? The retained earnings is 113. So what you can observe here is this company is not paying so much dividend. The main reason is they are investing too much. You get the understanding what I'm saying there, Nagendran? Yes, sir. But if you observe this company, what happens is we are generally giving more and more dividends, but we don't have any investment decisions. You get what I'm saying there?
Right.
Hello?
Right.
You get the understanding, right? Because the thing is just little be practical here. And also, if you observe here, our company asset base is 6,600. And if you look at this company's 5,900, that means they are bigger than us in flow area, like that we can generally say. And also, if you generally look at the profit or loss, we are 479 revenue and they are 417 revenue. So here, Mr. Nagendran, do you see there is a movement in revenue by almost, I can say 47, almost 47. But if you see our revenue growth, our company's revenue growth, 449, and it has become how much? 479. 30. So it's only 30. So why do you think our revenue growth is less compared with the competitor's revenue growth? I can generally say is the competitor may have better facilities. You get what I'm saying there, Nagendran? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Students, are you understanding what I'm saying there?
Yeah.
Because if you generally see KCTP's largest technology in Adelaide, several major companies including Spike Park, which has a campus of similar size located approximately 15 kilometers to KCTP. So I can generally observe that. And one more thing, students, if you see, this company is also a listed company according to this. So what I can suggest here is still there is a question mark whether our products are outdated. Because why I am saying that is, look at here. They are telling about the new developments that is taking place. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Nagendran?
Yeah.
Virtual simulation, and then 3D printers, and then they are telling about the deep learning, machine learning, and then the cloud everything. So that means we are 34 years established, but still we need to think about how we are handling it. Now, if you see what you are saying about engineering, construction, everything is practical, but for the case study, we can't apply that. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Najat? Did they mention anything related to that? Because this is not a high, this is, even though they say developed country, this is just a hypothetical scenario. Are you understanding what I'm saying there? So just think in that business angle point of view, because here they have never mentioned anything related to the compliances. Do you see anything related to the building compliances?
So one question I do have, sir,
Yes.
here, though the companies mentioned that it was established in 1986, but we are not informed about how the buildings were constructed. It might be
Correct.
that it started with one or two buildings, and over the period of time, the construction has taken
Over
place.
the period of time, the construction would have taken place. I think the construction would have generally completed when they became a listed company. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
After that, I think they would have stopped the construction and forward into dividend model, like expecting dividend from this business. Are you understanding what I'm saying there? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So just keep in mind, I still feel there is a problem in that 34 years period. You get what I'm saying there,
Yes.
Anjan? Because that's how they indirectly say. Because if you also observe the numericals also, we can clearly identify that our revenues are declining compared with whom? Compared with whom? With our competitors, Skypass. And generally, that itself is showing that we need to be little bit aware about what is taking place. Yes or no, Mr. Anjan?
Yeah.
So it might be that Skypark is having a higher level of retained earnings, which they're investing in the business. So
Correct.
That's how the profitability is increasing.
That's how their profitability is increasing, because that is F3, right, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because when the company pays a lot of dividends, that's not good. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no? That's a signaling effect that the company does not have enough investment opportunities.
Model, we can say.
Correct. So if the company is retaining a lot of money, that means they have a lot of potential investment opportunity. Are you understanding that point of view, Nagendran? Sorry, Mr. Anjan.
Yeah, yes.
So can you tell me, so that is very clear. And another thing what we can focus here, a threat. Can you tell me some threats, another threat?
So another weakness that I can say is that we do not have a legal director and marketing director, though we have legal team and marketing team.
Very good. Legal, I can say legal line is not available. There is no special legal line, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, sir. Because frankly speaking, in the real estate industry, you need to have a legal line. Because if you generally see, the main reason is contracts are there, agree or not agree. Because terms and condition, everything. That's good. KCTP has several major commitments, Spica, which has similar size and other weakness also. But one more threat, students. Can you tell me a specific threat here, other than cyber risk?
So government might interfere in it because there are investments which are of national importance. So government might feel that.
No. One thing I can say is health and safety. Health and safety. Yes or no, Anjan? Because they were clearly mentioning some equipments are dangerous for the people. Agree or not agree? And here they have clearly mentioned, students, be very careful. I want you to read this case again and again, because this is a very good case, very easy. So one thing they are telling, health and safety. Page number, I can say page number 8. They are telling tenants are required to restore their building in the original condition. They must also inform KCTP's Health and Service Department. KCTP's Health and Safety Department of all equipments they use. Now, my question is, suppose if they did not inform, will there be any mechanism to check whether there are some equipments? You get what I'm saying? Audit. You understand what I'm saying?
Internal control.
Correct. Internal control. You get what I'm saying? Health and safety, tenants must inform. You get what I'm saying? Tenants must inform, but there is high chances tenants don't inform. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Practical example, yes or no? Tenants must inform. However, need proper internal control system. Yes or no? Internal control system, because internal control system is 25% of the P3 syllabus. Agree or not agree, students? Yes or no? And even if you see, cyber risk is also 25% of the P3 syllabus. So generally in the past examination, the P3 is only dominating the exam papers. You get what I'm saying, everyone? Yes or no? And one thing I can say, internal control is weak here. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? Because they are telling CCTV cameras only they do generally have, and they are saying good security, everything. But still,
mobile patrolling is there.
Correct. But still, I am worried about other factors of internal control. Probability of hostile takeover due to stable share price, I can't say that at the moment, but I can say another way. I will come to that point. Stable share price, hostile takeover has no effect at the moment.
No, because of listed, there are chances for hostile takeover, right?
No, there needs to be a motive, Najat, for hostile takeover. You get what I'm saying? Generally,
Okay.
you can't be
No, in a economical recession, we can't say like that.
No, if you see, when they have something that is unique, then the government can make a decision of a hostile takeover. You get what I'm saying? Because hostile takeover is when the company is dominating the market. You understand what I'm saying? But here, if you see, already there are how many players in the market? Total number of players.
27, right?
Correct.
27.
So if you see 27 players, and this is just a thing, hostile takeover can't be a special thing at the moment, provided location. Especially for the location, there can be hostile takeover. Are you understanding what I'm saying, Mr. Najat? Hostile takeover means you take over the business because of an intention. You get what I'm saying there, Mr. Najat? Example, if you generally see China, they can hostile take over Sri Lanka, agree or not agree, location. You get what I'm saying? That should be a factor. But just
I have
generally saying
point.
hostile takeover, no. Yes, please.
I have small points. If I'm wrong, just correct me. The problem is in economical recession times, because it's a listed company, if share prices are going down, there are chances to do the hostile takeover. That's my point. And moreover, because of listed company, that's why that threat is there. Since it's a listed company,
again,
share price we have to maintain.
Mr. Najat, what is hostile takeover? Your understanding. What is generally hostile takeover?
No, hostile takeover can be happen through.
No. What is hostile takeover? Just asking.
Targeted companies, like one company is targeting on another company to take over that ownership of that company. But what I'm saying, because of
no, the hostile takeover can't happen like that, Mr. Najat. Because if you see listed companies, still if you have a super majority, they should sell the shares. Then only it may be hostile takeover. Now, if you generally see, our university has 20% stake, so still the university must be willing to sell the stake. Are you understanding what I'm saying, Mr. Najat?
If the shares are selling in the market, then
people should sell the shares. No, shares can be going up and down, but the seller should be willing to sell. No, I'll speak to Anjan. Anjan, you get the point what I'm saying. Anjan, share price going up and down will not have an effect on hostile takeover. You get what I'm saying, no, Anjan? Because I think you all would have experienced that in the Kolkata-Mumbai region. Yes or no, Anjan? Because the reason is sellers should be willing to sell it. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no? If the sellers are not selling, and if you have a super majority, still hostile takeover is not possible. But government hostile takeover is possible. In other words, nationalization. You get what I'm saying? Nationalization is possible, but I still can't say hostile takeover here. Because Mr. Anjan, we don't have any speciality other than correct. And like Mr. Chowdhury is telling 100% correct. Government can take over any monopolies, hostile takeover. You get what I'm saying? Are you getting the point, Anjan? Because here we are not a monopoly.
So here we can say in this way.
That's the issue. Tell me.
So here we can say that since there are many projects which might be of national importance, the government might feel it's better to.
But it's not our project, no, Anjan, because it's the project of the researchers. No, we are just giving them the premises here, no, Anjan. That's what I'm telling. Don't confuse that. We don't have any access towards what they are developing. You get what I'm saying, Anjan? And that place is just an area to do the development only. And that's generally rented out. Only that. We do not have any special features on taking their license or anything. Are you understanding what I'm saying there, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah. We are just
Because just think the model first, because even though it looks unstable electricity, that's a good point. So at the moment we have stable electricity, but there can be threats of power supply. Can I write down that threat of power supply? Yes or no, Anjan? That is a possible threat of power supply. Threat of
power
power
supply or voltage fluctuations.
correct, power supply or voltage cycle, but I just will make it power supply. But again, I am clarifying. Nagendran, are you there, Mr. Nagendran? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nagendran, again, do you think, are you clear with that hostile takeover point, Nagendran? Because just to
Right.
make it very clear, you get
Yep.
what I'm meaning there. Because we are not anything into research and development. We are just giving the place only for research and development. Agree or not agree, Nagendran? Yes or no?
Right.
So scope of litigation, we can say, if proper security checks are not there.
Correct. I can say here legal threats. There can be legal threats. Correct, Mr. Mr. Anjan. One more weakness I can observe here. One more weakness here. If you see most tenants startup, no affiliation, 34-year legal line is not available. One weakness I can generally say, are we overstaffed?
That is not very informative.
No,
from
see,
the case study.
18 buildings. 970 divided by 18. How much? How many staffs per building?
But we are providing around 8 services, and this staff
No.
divided.
So 18 premises. So 970 divided by 18, see 54 employees per building. And if you see, generally 15 buildings are sole buildings and only one building is given to SME. Are you getting any points there? Nagendran, do you get the calculation? Look at here. We do have how many employees? 970 employees. How many buildings are physically operating for business purpose only? One for administration means it's a cost center. For
17.
business purpose, 17. So 970 divided by 17 buildings. For a building, we have how many employees? 57 employee. And just to make it very clear for you, they are telling that the size of the building is how many square feet? 18,500 square feet. Yes or no? So 18,500 square feet divided by 57 employees. That means divided by 57 employees. That means just check students, 18,500 divided by 57, one employees. For one employee will be for 324 square feet. 324 square feet. 300 square feet, one employee. Enough or not enough?
So, sir, that 970 includes employees of the business services, right, that it offers?
Business services, right, it offers. But the thing is, Mr. Nagendran, if you see, what is our major business service here?
Tenancy.
Correct. So if you see, marketing is one important. They maintain the tenants, they handle the complaints, and they find new one. Other than marketing, who is very much involved? So if you see here, human resource is just recruitment. Finance, operations only dominating, but they have not given. But I generally feel, sorry, not square feet, it's square meters. Square meters or square feet? Square meters, right?
Square meter.
Square meters. So that was a point. Just I'll just highlight that. Just I'll keep it, or just we can say. But I still feel something wrong with the number staffs also in our area. And next one I can say, Mr. Nagendran, if you have 15 buildings for sole purpose only, is that good or not good? 15 buildings sole purpose, or rather than that, it is better to split like one
diversify. Yeah.
Better to diversify. What do you think? Diversification is better. Agree or not agree? poor
Yeah.
diversification, because if you are dependent on one or 15 sole person, agree or not agree, poor diversification. So I'll mention over dependence on 15 tenants, agree or
Correct.
not agree,
Yeah.
over dependence on 15 tenants. And if one tenant is out, I think one building rent is gone, agree or not agree, yes or no. But
Yeah.
if you generally see the other one, it is not like that, agree or not agree, yes or no.
Right. Yeah.
So that looks a little good. Can you tell me some opportunities we do have?
So weakness, further we can say,
Yes.
one is that we are only into one business. We do not have multiple business in our portfolio. So
Agree.
if
I
the
agree.
government policies change, that will have
100% agree. Because if you generally see the techno parks, generally go with engineering, information technology, biotechnology, consulting, computer and electronics. And one thing we can generally say, one only thing what we have generally diversified, one only thing we have done specially is we have something called bookkeeping services, KCTP business services there. That is the only diversification we have. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I can say still we do have a slight diversification. What do you think, Mr. Anjan? But it's not strong.
Yeah, not strong.
Opportunity can help commercializing research and development and prototype of talent. No. One opportunity, Anjan.
So
So
opportunity, we can say first is that expansion into other cities of Adavland.
No. Whenever it comes to opportunities and threats, students in CIMA exam, go through the news stories. The first opportunity we have is knowledge exchange. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Knowledge exchange, that means affiliations. What is that?
Collaboration with universities, with
Correct.
other
Knowledge
universities.
exchange with affiliation with universities. Can there be factors like that? Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yes.
We have a
Aishan.
closest university.
Correct.
At least between surface.
Correct.
and growth in research and development, I think, is another opportunity that KCTP can tap into.
No, the thing is, like, I think here I want to explain this one. Top scientists can't build their own what? Top scientists can't build their own what? Inventions. You get what I'm saying? So if you observe here, Mr. Najad, if you're there, so here what they are saying is, Mr. Najad, scientists develop the research, but they can commercialize that product. You get what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
yes.
I can generally say partnering.
Commercialization.
Correct. Partnering with research and development companies for commercializing the products.
We can say this also as a weakness also, right, sir? Because we don't have any commercializations
at the moment. At the moment, we don't have. So at the moment, we are purely giving business services and the rent. So we don't have these things. I agree with you. But one thing, Najad, this will be counter-attacking. You get what I'm saying? Because this they are specified as an opportunity. I agree with you. You are correct here. Lack of commercialization. That partnering is not there at the moment. I agree with you. That's a weakness.
That is attract for the new tenants, right? Like
correct.
The commercialization.
The new talents commercialization. Example, like I can say, costing we can done. Yes or no? Costing can be done for a development. Agree or not agree? Because scientists are very poor in costing. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Costing for a development. Agree, no? Yes or no? Pricing strategies. Agree or not agree? Because do you think scientists are good in pricing strategy? I'm telling they may not be good. What do you think, Najat? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And then students, now this is an investment we need. Agree or not agree? Just coming here, I'll finish this thing. One is simulation takes off. Now, if you observe here, we need to go into virtual simulation. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Virtual simulation is an opportunity for us. But one thing I can say, if our competitor, what is our competitor's name?
Skypark.
Now, if our Skypark develops virtual simulation with patents, with what?
Patents.
With patents, can that be a threat for us? What do you think? That means they will only have, so engineers all will shift to their locations. Possible or not possible? Agree or not agree? Can there be chances? Like Najat is telling, that can be a weakness, that can be opportunity, that can come all three. But I am generally suggesting students, the newspaper articles are generally threat or weaknesses because that is outside our company control. Agree or not agree? Students, any question with the simulation takes off?
Sir,
Yes.
hello. Sir, can it, for opportunities, can it become a patent center for tenants?
It can be at the moment, but can we be very specific with the articles now?
Yes.
3D printer, can I write down that also, students? Yes or no? 3D printing. So can I write down here 3D printing facilities? Is that an opportunity? Yes or no? Agree or not agree? Make sense or doesn't make sense, Anjan? Agree or not agree?
Yeah.
And it can also become a threat if we don't develop this, because the problem is too much dividend payment. Agree or not agree? I'll write down here, no proper dividend policy. No proper what? Dividend policy. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Because there is no proper dividend policy within our organization. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah. And so in opportunities, we can inform about the cloud computing.
That I'm going to come now. So the next thing is they are specifically telling of quantum mechanics and quantum computers. So can I write down here as quantum mechanic and quantum computers? So students, can we write down here? Students, please mute your sound if you are talking. So students, quantum mechanics, and quantum computers, quantum mechanics and what? Quantum computers. Can that be an opportunity? Yes or no? Agree or not agree? High chances. Okay. And then students, I will just come to one more opportunity, that is, it can become a threat because cloud computing consume high power. Yes or no? Because they clearly mentioned that we have a server in our organization. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Did you observe that? So our server of, I can say KCTP can consume more energy. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Consume more energy. You make sense what I'm saying, because we are giving that free of charge also. You understand what I'm saying, the storage. So when our tenants are just using that, the consumption of the data and the electricity consumption may be high. You get what I'm saying there, Mr. Anjan? Agree or not agree?
Yes.
So students, just being very frank, Mr. Najat, everyone listen. Your complete focus should be these 4 articles. You get what I'm saying, everyone? Don't go beyond these 4 articles. You get what I'm saying? As per the past experience, I'm just telling you, they give these articles because they will develop the lead based on these articles. Are you clear with what I'm saying, everyone? Yes or no? Now, one thing, why I said our company is 34 years old and no much update, because if you generally see the newspaper articles, they are giving so many updates. Agree or not agree? Yes or no, Anjan? You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Because it's an indirect hint from the examiner that our company is little backwards here. You get the right understanding, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yes.
Najat, any questions?
No, but I have one more threat, because most of the IT things are less useful time. So it can be quickly outdated anyhow.
No, it can be quickly outdated. But the thing is, Mr. Najat, I agree with you completely. But that's what we need to continuously reinvest the funds. You get what I'm saying,
yes.
Mr. Najat? because we should be in line with the developments. I'm 100% agreeing with you, but that's the question. No proper dividend policy. You get what I'm saying? Have you heard a dividend policy called residual dividend policy? Anyone in our class, residual dividend policy? Anjan, residual dividend policy?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
What is
Yes,
residual dividend policy?
Residual dividend policy here, after paying out, there is no fixed formula. The amount that is left over, which is considered as payment for dividend. We are not doing a consistent payment dividend procedure.
No, I'll come to the point very straight. Najad, do you know what is residual value in accounting? Residual value, Najad?
It's based on
scrap value. Scrap value.
Yes, net value.
In other words, the balance. Residual means scrap balance. Now, I will suggest a company like this who is in having, like you're saying, continuous change in the developments. So we need to have something called residual dividend policy. What policy? Residual dividend policy. That means, Mr. Najad, pay dividends after investments. Pay dividends after what? Investment. Pay dividends after investment. In simple language, after you invest, if there is any balance, pay the dividends. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Najad? But at the moment, are we doing that? No, we are paying the dividends as soon as the profit is made. Agree or not agree, Najad? Yes or no?
Agree.
So that is my one more concern. So coming to Mr. Nagendran, anything that you want to put into the picture?
So one thing we can say here that maybe our competitor Skypark is following this. That's the reason
think
why
so. That's what I'm telling for the past time with the calculation proof also. Because our competitors, I feel that they are doing better. That's what I feel. Their revenue is growing comparatively faster than us. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Anjan? And even if you see their dividend policy clearly mentioned that they have already done plans for these things. Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no?
So another opportunity that we can say that we can have the internship program with the university, which will lead to new job opportunities.
So I can make it like that very simple: merger and acquisition. Merger and what? Acquisition. Merger and acquisition can be one of our potential opportunity. Yes or no? With universities, can there be merger and acquisition with universities? Possible or not? Or international professional bodies. Can there be chances with international professional bodies? Possible. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? High chances.
Yeah. So another opportunity that we can is there that since we are in the R&D and we are very close to the university, maybe in the future we can have academic courses with job orientation.
Correct. Continuous professional developments. That means continuous professional development. In other words, CPD they say, professional developments for engineers and research staff with certification.
Yeah.
With certification. I think you may be aware, Mr. Anjan, like IIM, Bangalore, IIT, they do have certification courses provided in Coursera, edX, everything. Everything. So they generally do that for the postgraduates. That's a good point.
IBM also does that.
IBM also does that. But again, keep in mind, Mr. Anjan, be very focused with our business model. Our business model until now is what? Building, renting out for research and development purpose for startup business and corporations. Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Learn the business model, students. Your focus should be on business model first. One thing that has come, divide the last priority from data to earning after meeting internal explanation. Residual, that's correct. That was the thing we were focusing, Mr. Chaudhary. Coming down, so I'll just speak to one by one. So, Mr. Mahinda, any inputs you are going to give, Mr. Mahinda? Miss Folak, any input you want to give? Miss Tania, any inputs you like to give? Thanks, Folak. Amin, any inputs you like to give?
So regarding the carbon footprint, could
Correct.
there be any
Correct. 100%.
opportunities in this?
100%. Not carbon footprint opportunities, threat. Because if you generally see the cloud accounting has high, I can say, consumption of power. So carbon footprint can become a threat if we are using the cloud. Agree or not agree? I mean, yes or no?
Correct.
Correct. Any other points, students? Please tell me, because we are working as a team wise. Okay, so I'll again come to Mr. Najad. Any other points you like to tell?
I just have a point. I don't know. It's very general. I'm not sure. But in this country, 27 tech parks are there. Is it not like a high competition business?
I think not high competition, high saturated. What do you think?
Okay.
High saturated. More than competition, I can say saturated. What do you think, Najat? Yes or no? Because I can say 27 players. That's a threat. 27 players. And I can say less barrier to entry. Yes or no? Less barrier to entry. Can you remember, like in Porter's 5 forces, we have barrier to entry. But here, they have never mentioned the procedure to start a tech park. You get what I'm saying? Generally, outskirt of the city, yes. But I generally feel 27 is too much number. I agree with you at the moment. Too much number. And I can only say what is the differentiation factor is moving into the current issues they give, virtual simulation. These new things should come so that only we can take the competitive advantage. What do you think? Yes or no?
So data hacking can be there as a threat.
Cyber risk 100% can be there, because I can generally say phishing, not hacking. It's known as phishing. What is that? Phishing.
Yeah.
Mr. Najat, heard about phishing?
Want to be frank, no, sir.
No, we will learn all this. Nagendran heard about phishing.
Right. It's a way to gather personal information by sending out emails.
Correct.
With incorrect information, threatening content and all that.
Not threatening content, seductive content.
Yeah,
what happens is you just send that, like you have won 1 million rupee. You get what I'm saying. And those guys click the link, and when the link is there, Trojan, everything will come and take over. You get what I'm saying there? Yes or no?
Right. Yeah.
Still,
and sir,
yes, please.
Can co-working spaces be a threat to KCTP's revenue? Because 2 buildings that they have cater to medium, small size businesses, modest businesses, right? So
correct. I can say co-working area can become a threat because it may be less costly also. Yes.
Yeah.
And one more thing, this just came to this. Virtual simulation means you did not want a big space. Agree? No? Yes or no? Can there be a threat like work from home? You get
exactly.
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like COVID-19, it came work from home. Because if you see here now, virtual simulation has come into the picture. So there can be that angle also. So students, now last time they specifically told they won't test COVID-19. I think Anjan can remember. Yes or no, Anjan?
Yeah, yes.
Because last time they specified. But this time I don't think so. What do you think, students? Yes or no? Because this time I think the paper was set during the lockdown period only. Agree or not agree, everyone? Yes or no? Because I generally feel, students, that can also become an issue. So can I just mention pandemic, students? Agree or not agree, students? I'll just write down here, pandemic situation can come into the picture where people may be requested to work from home, and that facility will be there. And one more thing, just to make it little theory, we have a knowledge subject called international exchange rate risk, everything. So can I just mention here as international expansion? Agree or not agree, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah,
because we do have hedging everything, right? Yes or no? Just to put into the subject knowledge. So can there be international expansion, students? Yes or no? Potential international expansions, because that's a major area to be covered in the class. Agree, no, students? But one thing, students, look at the way we are analyzing. Again, I am telling you, we are analyzing not in the science perspective. We are analyzing as a landlord, the premises owner's perspective. Are you clear with that, Nagendran? Yes or no? I am not thinking in the scientist angle. I am thinking in the resource owner angle. Clear with that? Yes or
Right.
no?
Yes. Yes.
Just
Yes,
a small thing, just it came. Unauthorized research. Terrorist research, can that take place? Yes or no, student? Unauthorized research. Due to poor internal control, can there be terrorist type of research, like they develop weapons, everything? You get what I'm saying, Anjan? Because
Yeah. Okay.
there can be chances if our internal controls are poor, because like you are telling, our management is little weak because all are having 3 years 2 years experience. Agree or not agree,
Yeah.
Anjan? Yes or no? So when they
Yeah.
have 3 years 2 years experience, their major focus will be sales increment only. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that can be a potential threat there also.
And also biological research have risk also.
High risk
Like
because
outbreak,
correct, COVID outbreak, like it can take place. Health and safety is a very important factor that is there. So are you understanding that? Any other things that we can put? I think this is a very good SWOT. What do you think, everyone? Yes or no?
Sir, one more thing.
Yes, please.
Sorry, I'm repeating again, since it comes to the COVID and economical recession condition.
Yes, please.
Again, share pricing might be, it is not the real case, but still I'm trying to understand myself what the plan. What I'm saying is, still be a listed company, maintaining the share price is always, it's not a threat to us in economical recession time.
I will make it very simple for you. Just picturize Majestic City. Najat, you know Majestic City, yes or no?
Yep.
Okay. Liberty Plaza, you know?
Yes.
They are shopping complex, correct?
True.
Correct, no?
Yes.
For the past 10 years, did Majestic City double or same size?
Same size.
Liberty Plaza doubled or almost same size?
Same size.
Same size. But
Yes.
Golf Face 1,
Yes.
City Center, they are
Yes.
new but completely unique. Agree or not agree?
Agree.
Will that affect Majestic City price?
No.
Because Majestic City is now becoming outdated, no? What do you think when Golf
Yes.
Face 1 comes? Are you thinking in that real estate industry point of view, Najat? Just to make your mind very much clear. Because, Najat, see carefully, if you visit Sri Lanka, if you have been to Majestic City and Golf Face 1 and the city center, you will feel that Majestic City now is not the brand. What do you think, Najat? Yes or no? Because there was a time.
My
Tell
point
me.
is, sir, for example, in a situation like an economical recession, always share price will fall down if it is a listed company.
Depends on the organization, because even if you see economic recession, like in economics we would have studied, right? Inferior goods will go up, yes or no, and superior goods will go down. So I still say economic recession time also, I can say like cost leader will go up and differentiated or the focus product item will go down. Like Rolls Royce share price may go down, but a company like Suzuki Maruti will go up. What do you think, Mr. Najat? You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
That means
true.
that everything will not go down. It will be like a balancing. Some areas will go down, some areas will go up, even
Okay.
during the economic recession.
Okay.
Getting
So
the picture, right?
it's another threat that we can say, the foreign exchange risk,
That
because
is the issue. Because that is
many
the issue.
equipments are imported.
Especially, I think these virtual items, I think hedging can come in the importing. Thanks for telling that. I'm generally selling 3D printers. I think we need to import it. What do you think? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Students just think that's a good point. 3D printers we will be importing. Agree or not agree? Yes or no, students? High chances. And also, students, this quantum mechanics and quantum computers, I think we need to import. I think it may be not be there at the moment. And if I see another one also, I can generally count the simulation, the virtual simulation devices also we need to import only, students. So there is a high changeover. Thanks for telling that, Anjan. So can we write down that also, yes or no? So I can say forex risk in case of importing, in case of what? Importing virtual simulation devices, 3D printers, yes or no? Students agree or not agree? Yes or no? 3D printers, or the other one we were focusing on quantum computers. Agree or not agree, students?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because I generally feel you are correct, Anjan, because we may need to import these items at the moment. I think so.
And so the beta of 0.9, which is below 1, obviously is a strength, because if
It's a
there is
strength because the market risk is less. In other
Yes.
words, if you generally see, because if the beta is more than 1 only, the risk element is high. That means here, if you see, our shares are safe shares. That's the thing, Mr. Najad. If you generally observe, beta is 0.9. That means the main reason our shares are not going up. Can you remember CAPM theory, Mr. Anjan? CAPM theory. So in CAPM theory, the cost of equity generally equals
RF plus
the risk-free rate, sorry, the market rate and the risk-free rate, okay, multiplied by
beta.
The beta, okay. Now, just telling you, if the beta is greater, the cost of equity also will be what? Greater. Cost of equity means share price and dividend. Agree or not agree?
Yeah.
Share price and dividend will also go up. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? But if the beta is less, that means share price also will be less, dividend also will be less. Coming into the point, bank owned by government, the risk is high or less? Banks owned by government, risk is less. So interest is also what? Very less. Agree or not agree? But let's assume chit funds. Risk is what? Chit funds, very high. And the returns are also very, very high. Agree or not agree? Are you understanding what I'm saying, Mr. Najat? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Students, don't confuse yourself. I'm just not giving you technical jargon, just making it very clear. Again, students, after the class also we can discuss. There is no issue. But are you getting the pure application of this share price? What Mr. Anjan was telling, beta is 0.9. So can I say that's a strength? Yes or no? Agree or not agree? Anjan, can that become a strength? Yes or no?
Yes, it is a strength.
I can say beta is 0.9, meaning stocks are less risky, meaning stocks are less risky. Agree, no, Mr. Anjan? It's less risky. And one more thing, students, what is our gearing ratio? Because I will do the ratio class on the Friday, but can you tell me what is our gearing ratio?
Gearing ratio is 0.17, I think, the calculation at the time.
Debt divided by debt plus equity.
Yeah.
Mr. Vivek, gearing ratio.
Yes, sir.
Gearing ratio is how much? 13.9. Thank you, Mr. Mahinda. It's 13.9%. So 13.9% gearing means, is that a strength or weakness?
Strength.
Correct. Can you write down here? 13.9% gearing, because I need to put that. Strength. Agree or not agree, students? Yes or no? Strength for borrowing capacity. Because even though we are paying dividends, if there is an investment requirement, we can take a loan. What do you think, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes. So
because we have collaterals also. Our building properties are collateral. So bank will generally give us loan. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Mortgage loans.
Yes, mortgage loans.
So 264 million in bank is also, I think, a strength for us.
Correct. 100% strength for us. 100% strength for us, because our borrowings are very less. What do you think? Very less.
Very less. So we can pay off if the requirement is there.
Correct. So students, I think we have done a good analysis. Yes or no? Any other points you can tell me?
As in weakness, one point that I thought that maybe the agreement of 12 months is pretty low compared to the investments that are the R&D that is taking place.
No, that's good. That's good because Anjan, startup company is very risky. If you give them for 1-2 years contract, you get what I'm saying, Anjan. You get the point what I'm saying. Think in the point of a real estate owner. Very difficult because I'm telling you, frankly saying, rent business looks like easy, but if the agreements are not properly done, very difficult. Just
so
asking
what
from
they have mentioned here
is that 12 months
6
contract.
months. And
That
6
means
months prior to
they need
leaving,
to
they
tell
have to
the
inform.
correct, not 6 months. They 12 months contract. Generally, rentals are 12 months. Every 12 months, you need to upgrade it in advance payment only. That's what if you see, Mr. Anjan, you look at the statement of financial position. You have trade payables and what they are specifically mentioned. What trade payables and what?
Receivables.
Tenants deposit. Yes or no? Agree. So that means it's a deferred income received in advance. Okay, Anjan. So coming back here, Anjan, coming back here, just a minute. I just will go through that. So it will be very clear. So indefinitely, they can take it lifetime, but every 12 months advance, they must pay in advance. And then they are telling one more point that was there, that 6 months point was there.
Yes, 6 months prior to leaving, they have to inform. So
Cash
what I was saying,
taking possession of the building, which is returned at the conclusion of tenancy after settlement of all receivable and installation buildings are. Where is that 6 month?
It was there somewhere. I read.
Can someone tell me? But I read that. I did that analysis, but that was not what you are saying, Anjan, as per my knowledge. There was a 6 months. I can agree.
Their intention 6 months before their present agreement end. Is in third line.
Third paragraph. Okay. Yes. Marketing department exists to maintain company profile amongst potential. The department also liaises with the existing tenants to ensure their needs are known and understood in hope they will renew the contract. The marketing department.
No, the first para, third line.
First paragraph.
First para, third line. Okay. Tenants being required to indicate their intention 6 months before their present agreements end. So I can say that's good, no, Anjan. That's a good one. I'll explain that. Now, Anjan, see carefully. Now, let's assume, Anjan, our contract is initially you need to pay advance for 12 months. Agree, no, Anjan? Yes, sir. You need to pay advance for 12 months. And they are telling it can be renewed 12 months indefinitely. But on the 6th month, that means when the 50% of the period is over, you need to inform them that you will be again renewing this for another how many months? 12 months. Are you getting that point? Yes or no? So is that good or not good, Anjan? Very good. Because that's a very good management.
No, what I was trying to clear here.
So we can't convert this into weakness?
How?
There is no attractive for the new entrants, like to the people who come and join with our tech park. We are not giving much benefit to them as an attract.
No, that we have already mentioned, because the thing is, if you see, most of our building, 15 building is sole purpose. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Now, example, Najad, 15 building is sole purpose. So, if they inform in the 6th month, we can look for a new person to come and take one full building. You get what I'm saying, Mr. Najad? Yes or no? But only one building is like a co-working space where many people are there. You get what I'm saying? So that is a weakness at the moment because lack of diversification and over dependence of 15 tenants.
Yeah, one more thing, sir. Normally, when tech parks or some kind of, let's say, even in the gold phase 1, when they open first year, they given so much of discount to the tenants to attract them to come and open up the businesses.
But we are 34 years old.
Okay, fine. It makes sense.
Makes sense.
What I was trying to say here is that they have got different types of tenants, but the agreement is fixed 12 months. They could have been a different type of agreement for different types of tenants,
No,
because
no,
people
I
who
am
are taking
no, I am still saying that is the most prudent way in this industry, Mr. Anjan. Because I can understand your question. You are telling instead of having the same thing, why can't you go with cooperation for a lease type of 5 years like that? Yes or no,
yeah,
Anjan? That
because
was the
the
question.
high investments are taking place when people are taking a single building.
No,
And
the
if they
thing
are
is,
uncertain, it is
Anjan, these buildings are not rented for other purpose. This is generally for research purpose. Research
yeah.
can anytime end up as a failure. You get what I'm saying. So the
Mhm.
uncertainty level is very high in our tenants. You get the point what I'm saying. Because if this were a residential or a commercial purpose, you are 100% correct. But in this segment, it's a highly uncertain segment, not for us, for our tenants. You get the point what I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah. And the venture capitalist, can they be because it is mentioned
At the
yeah,
moment, the stocks are on floating. Do we have a venture capitalist at the moment?
it is mentioned that the venture capitalist in one of the paragraphs I did found the venture capitalist regarding the R&D venture capitalist rated. Just let me go through
Please, can you check that, please?
one more.
So we can't talk about business ecosystem.
We must talk about 27 people are there. No? You are 100% correct. That's I will be developing something on that because we have 27 people. Now, if you don't form a proper ecosystem, later that will become a big problem because price wars can start. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because when the price war starts, I think the industry collapse. Did you check anywhere of venture capitalist, Najat?
Venture capital was initially it was mentioned so much of business opportunities are coming with partnership of venture capital to encourage their other businesses. Initial pages I saw.
That is for the businesses, right? Not for our company.
Not our company. It's like an industrial introduction, I guess.
Industrial introduction. Are you clear with that, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
But one thing a business idea, it came into me. One opportunity. Can't we become venture capitalists for startups in our premises? Just asking. Can't we be venture capitalists for startups? Can't KCTP be a venture capitalist for startup? What do you think?
Yes, we can tie up.
That'll be a diversification opportunity.
Diversification, yes. Right? Because when we see some of our tenants are struggling to pay rent, but their ideas are good. Can't we capitalize the rent and to a share price? Can't we transfer the rent income to research shares? What do you think? Yes or no? Because that is generally done in practical life.
Moreover, our founder is university also.
Correct. So can't we take that research patent, a share of that, for giving the premises for them to use and the equipments? What do you think? That may be a potential. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And that will differentiate ourselves with the 27 players in the market. So I think students, we have done a good.
And the last point that was I was thinking about the space utilization, because it is mentioned regarding the stimulation techniques in the articles.
In the future will take less space, if I'm not mistaken. So I think in the future that more than one building, it will end up as co-working spaces.
But here you will find that large areas are being taken.
At the moment, large areas are being taken. That is again need to be upgraded in the future.
So that we can consider as a threat that probably
of course, that we can consider as a threat, provided we don't update. So students, again, I'm repeating, our business model is renting out. Okay. Are you understanding, Anjan? We are not doing scientific research. We are renting out premises. Clear, no, Anjan? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So think in that angle only.
And opportunity, sir, the R&D that is taking place, it is mentioned that there are some organizations who are thinking of in business production. So can we think of having a tie-up with one of our tenants?
Sure. That's what I was talking about, venture capitalists. That's what I'm telling that.
Going into production line and having
Of course, we can support them. So students, as a summary, what I wanted to say is, be very much fluent with the industry data. You get what I'm saying. Don't do too much industry research. I think this is more than enough, students. Just keep that in mind. The factors what we have here is fine. So just asking students, what I will do is I will email this to you all. And on Friday, can we do the ratio analysis, Mr. Anjan? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, any questions you can ask? If everything is fine, you can put Y in the chat box, students.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please.
Sir, that private equity, this venture capitalist one, the last opportunity which you wrote, could you repeat it more easy in an easy manner?
Correct. If you see tenants who are finding it very difficult to pay rent, we can finance them by saying you don't pay rent. When you develop your company and the product, for the rent, what you pay, you make us as a venture capitalist shareholder. You get what I'm saying?
Okay, got it.
Got it.
So, sir,
no, that is also possible.
So sir, the KCTP members will get a seat on that tenant board?
Correct. On the seat on the tenant, plus further, they will get share on the return on investments also.
Okay, like convertible preference share or something.
Convertible preference share. They are converting the rent into shares.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Good point.
So students, thank you very much. Good session we had. So Anjan, let's meet on Friday.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. Tomorrow results are coming.
Yeah.
See you, everyone. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.